For our project, we decided to focus on password managers as our security tools. In today's day and age, many users use weak passwords or may reuse said passwords on multiple accounts, leading them to be susceptible to cybercrimes. With the use of password managers, it will allow to mitigate these issues. A password manager is a type of software application that a user can download in order to store and manage passwords for various online accounts. Password managers store the password in an encrypted format that enables secure access to the password information with the use of one master password.
Password managers store login information of various accounts that users might have and allow login credentials to be autofilled so that the user does not need to remember multiple logins. Password managers help to prevent hacker attacks such as keystroke logging, password cracking, and other social engineering attacks. Keystroke logger also poses as a threat to users' credentials because it captures the user's login information. Password cracking attacks consist of two types of attacks, one being brute force attacks and dictionary attacks. A brute force attack is trying to use multiple combinations of usernames and passwords in order to gain access to a user's account. A dictionary attack is using different words from the dictionary as a password to gain access to the user's account.
In regards to the CIA triad, a weak password affects the integrity of the user's credentials. For example, once the user has used a weak password, it can be very easy for hackers to gain access to their accounts and change the passwords so the user will not be able to gain access to their accounts.
Having a tool such as a password manager is crucial because with having multiple accounts, it can be very difficult to remember strong passwords for each account, in turn leading to the user to consistently reset their login credentials. By having a password manager, it will allow the user to have their credentials encrypted in one safe place. For example, take an employee at a business firm. He or she has multiple accounts that they need to keep track of in order to do so. Some may be written down on a post-it note, which then leaves them lying around the office. This is not a secure way of keeping track of passwords and in turn can lead to their credentials getting into the hands of the wrong people.
There's so many passwords I need to keep track of. I wish that there was a tool that I could use to keep track of them. Look at the time, it's my lunch break.
What's this? A password sheet? There are many ways that password managers enable the use of strong and unique passwords for each online account. Some type of password managers are web browser-based, portal-based, cloud-based, etc. An example of web browsers-based password manager are Dashline, 1Password, LastPass, etc. For web browser-based password managers, log-on credentials are automatically filled in when the URL is loaded, in turn reducing manual error that might occur when the users would manually log in. Using this type of password manager can also prevent from keystroke logging.
Another type of password manager is a portable password manager. This type of manager is an application installed on a mobile device, such as a cell phone, that is used to manage and record credentials between these shared devices. An example of a portable password manager is KeepPass and LasLock.
Cloud-based password manager is another type of password manager. This means that the user's login credentials is encrypted and stored in the cloud. Examples of cloud-based password managers are Zoho and Thycotic.
Because password management is so crucial in today's world, there are multiple types of password management tools that users decide to use. Some users use Dashline and 1Password to protect their passwords. But with these tools, it comes with the costs. Password managers such as these can be very expensive and not as efficient as using another password manager such as LastPass.
For our password management tool, we decided to use LastPass. LastPass is a free web browser-based / cloud-based browser extension tool that allows the user to safely and securely save their passwords to an online vault. In order for the user to do so, they must download it as an extension and create an account. Once the account is made, the user will only have to remember one master password to access the vault that contains their many passwords. In order for LastPass to make sure that the user's credentials are properly encrypted, they have implemented a AES-256 bit encryption with a PBKDF2 SHA-256 to ensure complete security. LastPass also implements two-factor authentication to add extra security to access your vault. Oh no, my password's changed.
Hey, you should try out LastPass.
LastPass, what's that?
It's a password management tool that works with your browser so that you can save all your passwords and make them more secure while also not having to remember them.
Sounds good. Thanks so much.
Awesome. So LastPass is really useful. I'll show you how it works here on this Yahoo site. Basically, since I don't have an account, gotta go click sign in and create an account. So my computer already autofills a lot of this information in. So set all that up. And then right there, see how it needs a password? There's this little circle here. Click on that, and Google's going to automatically suggest a password. We're not going to use that one though. We're going to go here and click Generate Secure Password. Now I can use anything that I want here, whether it be an 8 character length up to 99. It can be easy to read, easy to say. I can toggle whether I want symbols, numbers, uppercase or lowercase letters. We're just going to make it nice and simple and go with 8, make it easy to say. Then you just click Fill Password, puts it right in there, and gives you the option to add it. Now you're all set, it's in the vault. So what that means is when you go open your vault, you can have it sort by most recent. And it's not going to show up, but that's fine because you can search. And right here, Yahoo. Now I can do some maintenance on it, whether I want to edit the username, what it says, what it's titled as, view the password, not view it, and then save or cancel those changes. You can add some notes to it if necessary. In addition to that, you can have notes, passwords, addresses, payment cards, so like credit cards or debit cards, and then bank accounts. You have security challenges, a bunch of other options here that are great. And what it comes down to is you can also go and upgrade. Basically the only difference, an upgrade, you pay $3 a month and it's billed every year. There's not much of a difference. You go to pricing here and they'll explain it. For personal, $3, just easy ways to improve your passwords. Then there's 1 month or one user, and then there's a family user for up to 6 people. The $3 premium plan, it includes some backup and some easier sharing options. It's pretty simple. Personally, the free version is all I ever would need, but depending on what you're using it for, it can be improved. LastPass also has, it's built into your browser or built into your device, which is absolutely wonderful. And it has encryption that is located only on your device, not in the cloud.